Would you like to create GDPR-friendly forms for free? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you are needing to collect data, it could be contact information, maybe signatures, or even payments, you can do that with Jotform and stay in line with GDPR requirements. So as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my dashboard, and the first thing I want to look at is going to be the data processing addendum. This is going to offer contractual terms to help you meet those GDPR requirements. So as we can see right here, we offer data processing addendums, or DPAs, for our customers that reflect our data privacy and security commitments to our customers. It's available in both English and German. Once you complete the form, the signed copy will be sent to you and you will be good to go. Now, the next thing I want to mention is where you store your information. So I'm going to head over to my avatar in the top right hand corner. I'm going to choose settings. Now, depending on where you want to keep your data, I'm going to choose data. I'm going to scroll down. Right now, mine is kept in the US, but if I would like it to be GDPR compliant, all I have to do is click right here. And we have this information letting us know that, hey, we're going to move all of your data, all your forms over to the EU data centers. And all we do is click move me over to the EU. It's going to look at all of my forms. It's going to let me know which ones I need to change in order to be GDPR compliant. All right, next I want to talk about security. So I'm going to jump over to jotform.com/security, and you can see there's a lot of information that you can dive into on your own. So you can see all the information. We have 256-bit SSL, the GDPR, the CCPA, the SOC, lots of information to prepare yourself when you get questions about security. Next is going to be encrypting your form. So I'm going to head back over to my workspace. I'm going to choose this hotel feedback form. Going to edit my form, and in the top middle I'm going to choose settings, and if we scroll down right here it says encrypt your form data. If we want to learn more, we can choose here and we can read more on encrypting data, but all we need to do is turn this on, verify with Google, or enter our account password, verify, and our forms will be encrypted. All right, next I'm actually going to jump over to our build tab, and one thing that we can do is we can add in a paragraph text, and you would want to put this at the bottom, but you can edit this text and you can add in information like your privacy policy. Something else that we can do over in our widgets is we can choose our terms and conditions, and we can add that information in here as well. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to create GDPR-friendly forms, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.